welcome to a art vlog style of video. So it's 11 a.m. here and I'm trying to setting up all the desk so I can create some art with you and bring you with me during the behind the scene, creating a kind of behind the scene video. And the plan for today is to create 3 video for YouTube. That's 3. I mean, let's see. I'm always trying to push myself too hard when I'm doing some planning, and then I'm not able to do everything. So let's see what we can reach. We will see in the end of today. So I have today now is like 11 a.m. and I have time till 2:30 p.m. because then I need to pick up my son from school. So that's the time frame. Anyway, so the idea is to have this video vlog style, so to bring you behind the scene, then having an art journal normal video style as always on the channel. And then I was thinking that maybe it's a good idea to share you a bit more my studio room, so then you will see also the behind the scene of this wonderful journey. So I will put you there, and while I'm setting up the camera, and I'll talk to you later. Pretty much what I need. Then I'll see if I have to move around. You will see. I have a plan for this art page. I want to use again my wonderful new art journal. This is again also a Zen sketchbook, and I really like it. But I want to test this time with watercolor, because we test a lot with acrylic, and this is working perfectly with acrylic. It's working a bit less better with ink, but let's try now with watercolor. At least that's the idea. And I had this idea to create a scene. So how the inspiration came for this project. So basically, last night I was scrolling on Pinterest. Pinterest is always great to find some inspiration content, and this time I saw I'll put a picture maybe over there or over there, I don't know where, but anyway, I'll put a picture so you can see which picture stopped me to scroll around there. So I had this thinking to have this kind of image of a lady looking down with a profile face. So I was going around all the magazine that I have, because we are gonna use my magazine silhouette as always. So I found this one. Probably I'm gonna use this one, but okay, I'll go around. I already selected a few profile side of the face, and then the idea is to have kind of night, like the profile that is the night personification. I don't know how to say in English, I don't know. Anyway, the character, the night character coming down, and the sunset scene, something like that. I still don't know exactly how it's gonna come up, but that's how I got the inspiration. And now we are gonna see if this is gonna be a good page or not. we are in the middle of the process. So I think I managed the ugly face. Now we are on the other kind of putting all the pieces together. So I think the sunset was not so bad. What do you think? And I have to say that it's okay. The journal is fun with watercolor. Maybe it's a bit texture. I mean, because it's not really a watercolor paper. This one you can see, because you see there is a lot of, you know, those little dots here. But I don't mind. I like the result, to be honest. So it's not so bad. Now we need to put everything together. Look what happened. I just destroyed. Marisa, you need to pay more attention. I really destroyed. Okay, that this was a cheap one, but you know, I was using for glue. Okay, I'll find another one. And this is the art. I like how it turned out. Be sure to check for the next video, so you will see the whole process.
Able to leverage multiple platforms to get paid more with brand collaborations.
And here it is, we are done. And look at the mess that we have over there. All around my desk. All around, but also in my bed, of course. That's my room, you know. So now I'm gonna clean up everything. And done, all clean, or kind of clean. And by the way, I showed you before a few seconds ago that I was taking some picture as well of the art that we finalized it, so then I can post on Instagram, and then I can also put the thumbnail in the art video. So this is basically conclude my process usually. And look at that. So I just did this morning. I mean, that's why I really don't do so much nail stuff, because it's like with what we are doing. I mean, it's kind of already gone, because I'm using like you know, I'm using some glue and some acrylic paint, and everything is stuck on the finger, and then it's all messy again. All right. Now what else? So I'm now going to record, set the scene again to record the next video. So let's see if we can do it. I want to record the studio tour. It's not a studio, it's a room tour, let's say, or what I have. So then you can stay with me again behind the scene as well, so to connect a little bit more. So let's see in a bit. And by the way, the video of the art journaling process you will see after this one. So this one probably is gonna be up on Tuesday, and then so the next one is gonna be, so for next week it's gonna be that art journal. I just need to do, you know, all the voiceover and everything. So let's finger crossed that I can do it and I can finalize as soon as possible. Okay, so let's record the other video. So this is again, I purchased it as well. This one via Amazon was really. Oh no, already? Wait. Alright, video recorded. Oh my gosh, I was running because I'm running out of time. I need to pick up my son now, basically. So, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!